Hey everyone, we're back once again on a Monday night, and the weather is the big news, at least when it comes to my ballpark. We'll tell you more about that in just a little bit. Our photograph for tonight is really beautiful. This one's sent in by Nancy and Mark Hummel. A nice sunrise around the UAF campus there. And as always, if you have a photograph to share, by all means send it to photos@ktvf11.com, and we'll share it with the rest of the audience. Your numbers look like this. Today's high 8 degrees, which it is right now. The low last night 2 degrees below. Record high 37, 1992. Record low 47 below in 1990. Sunrise at 10:23 this morning, and the sun sets at 10:59 this afternoon, which gave us about 4 hours and 36 minutes of daylight, a loss of a minute or 5 minutes from yesterday. And once again, a winter storm warning is in effect from 9 p.m. tonight until 6 a.m. Wednesday morning. 6 to 12 inches of snow possible depending on whereabouts you are in the area, and driving conditions will be very difficult, reduced visibilities, and watch out for some traction there too, so give yourself plenty of time to get to your destination. What's going on as far as our latest radar? As you can see, we are getting activity moving in toward the Fairbanks area, not too far away, so the snow is not too far away, probably in the next couple of hours or so, the way it looks right now. What else is going on across the rest of the state? Well, it is raining over Juneau, and also some rain around the Ketchikan area, 34 degrees there. Also some snow shower and rain shower activity around the Anchorage Bowl, and they're looking for freezing rain later on, which is not going to be fun at all. Snow shower activity over the southwest portion of the state, and up on the north slope, cloudy skies at Barrow, 7 degrees below zero there, 6 below at Fort Yukon. Lower 48 weather, things are getting wet over the Southern California area. We'll show you why in just a little bit. It is sunny over the Pacific Northwest. Clouds are on the increase there, and looking at cool temperatures at Minneapolis, 6 degrees for their high temperature. That's pretty darn chilly. Elsewhere, we have some rain shower activity over the New York area, 64 degrees there, and sunshine down to the south with some showers around the Miami area. On the satellite and radar, everything moving from west to east for the most part. Rain here, and a big plume of moisture moving across Southern California, bringing them some much needed rainfall, and over the eastern half of the country also a mix of rain and snow there too. And over Southern California, 1 to 4 inches is common over the next couple of days, and they need that in the worst way, but it is also going to bring with it slick roads, flash flooding, and mud flows below the burn scars they had earlier this year with all the fires going on. So kind of like mixing the bad with the good. Now the overall jet stream is going to be way to the north, which allows all the warmer temperatures and pleasant conditions to return to the southern half of the country over later on this week, and then rain will continue over the eastern and southeastern sections. All right, back to Alaska for tomorrow. Looking at mostly cloudy skies for Barrow, snow or blowing snow for Nome, and heavy snow expected in the Fort Yukon area, maybe 6 inches there. Over the interior, heavy snow for Fairbanks, snow showers at Healy, and a chance of snow in Delta because the wind flow is not quite conducive for them getting a lot of snow. That's the way it looks right now. Over southeast Alaska, rain and snow in Juneau and periods of rain at Ketchikan, while over to the southwest part of the state, we'll be looking at strong wind and heavy rain for Cold Bay, rain and snow in Kodiak, and light rain or snow for the Bethel area. And down around the Anchorage Bowl, like I said, a freezing rain advisory in effect until 9 o'clock tomorrow morning for Anchorage. Nasty, nasty weather there. Some snow is expected also with that freezing rain at both Homer and Anchorage, with heavy snow in the Valdez area. Okay, it is normally our time for our kids' weather. We're giving the kids a week off and giving you a weather fact. And tonight in 2011, Centerville, Utah had winds over 100 miles an hour, destroyed more than 400 trees. Again, thanks to Mount McKinley Bank for sponsoring our kids' weather each night. And next week, we're going to be, well, we're not be taking a break. We're actually going to be back with the kids, and we'll give you a chance to see some more interesting facts from those kids. Tonight, 4 degrees below zero, cloudy with snow, maybe developing about 2 inches possible. And tomorrow, it all comes in really heavy. Periods of heavy snow, 6 to 8 inches and more higher up in the elevations. The extended forecast calling for the snow to be trailing off by Wednesday. Then Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, looking at mainly partly cloudy to cloudy skies. Temperatures, once again, where they should be this time of year, in the teens below for the overnight lows and the single digits above for the daytime highs. But got to watch out for that heavy snow.